going to show you how can you become a root user, the user which have got all the permissions and is a administrative user. So let's get started. So we simply put Kali and Kali over here as our default username and password. Then we go to the terminal and here you can see Kali Kali. That is your username. That is your by default username. So to run any tool, we first of all have to put the sudo and then we run any other tools, right? So many tools need root permission or administrative permission to run. Okay, so to switch from normal user to root user, we can simply put the command sudo su. Then we hit enter, we will put the password of Kali, that is your Kali. Then here you can see now we are root. So here I put who am I, you can see here it says root, means I am a root user. But if I go to the another terminal, I open another terminal and now I put who am I, it will show Kali again. So if I don't want to put this sudo su command again and again, you can simply make your own root user. How? First of all, you will write the command sudo su, then you will put the password over here, you go to the root, you become the root user, and then you will type command sudo password. After typing this command, you can set new password, anything like 1234 QWERTY or whatsoever a secure password is to you. To set the password for the root user, hit enter and here you will see new password. Now you can put any password but do not forget that password. So for example, I'm putting here 1234 and then again 1234. I hit enter. It will show password updated successfully or something like that. Now I am logging out from here and now I will log in as a root user. I put root here and 1234 here and then hit login. Now if I go to the terminal, you can see I'm always gonna be the root user no matter how many terminals I open. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.